welcome back to my channel. Welcome back for yet another video. Taffy has decided that she wants to join me for every single time I film, so welcome. You might become a permanent addition to my channel. Little cutie pie. So as you can see from today's title, today I will be doing an unboxing of the Ugg Classic Minis. So they're the short version of the Chestnut Ugg boots. So with Ugg boots, I have had a pair before that lasted me years and years and years, which were the slightly taller ones with the bows at the back. I think they're called Bailey bows. And I love them. I just love having a pair of nice Ugg boots that I can wear whenever it's really cold outside. You literally just throw them on. But I love them for sort of shopping. If I'm doing Christmas shopping, they are so comfortable. It's like wearing really warm slippers all day. So right, I'm gonna get into it then. You're gonna have to give me some space, honey. Okay, so this is the box that they come in. So obviously it says Ugg boots at the top there. Then you've got the Ugg bit on the side there. It's got a little picture and your size there as well. My one came in kind of a liftable lid, so it comes off. I know some of them are sort of attached to one side. And then inside the box, the layering of this might not be perfect because I have already had a good look through these, but I'll try to put these back together to the best of my ability. So when you open it up, you do get the Ugg sort of paper wrapping that covers the shoes, and you get this little leaflet as well, which is the Ugg leaflet, which tells you all about the different styles of Ugg boots. It gives you kind of a summary of what different symbols mean and the story of Ugg boots if you did want to give this a little read. And when you open this up, the Uggs are just inside there like this. This is what the shoe looks like. So it is a really lovely chestnut brown colour. You've got the Ugg boot bit at the back there. It says Ugg at the bottom, and I just think they are the cutest little Ugg boots. Once you take out the little cardboard bit, it's got another cardboard bit inside there, just protecting all of that. The fur lining inside there, which is very, very soft, very cozy. You can't sort of tear any bits out, which is really, really lovely. And just inside as well, it's got a little size label, and it has one of these new, if I come up to the camera a bit more, it has one of these new kind of reflective labels inside, just to kind of prove authenticity. Apparently you can scan those with an iPhone, and then on the label here it just tells you your size. It doesn't have that same reflective piece, so it is just on a left foot that you get that. But yeah, so this is them. They're really nice and lightweight, which I particularly love with Ugg boots. They've maintained that all throughout their collections. I love at the bottom the design. So for styling Ugg boots, I can honestly wear these with anything. My go-tos are to wear them with leggings or skinny jeans, or even mum jeans as well. They look really, really cute. A thick knitwear or any kind of coat on top looks really lovely. But yeah, I'm very, very excited about this purchase. I cannot wait to start wearing these. Yeah, these can be mainly obviously worn on a casual basis. You can probably style them up, but that's not really personally the way that I would wear them. I would always just wear them with something comfortable. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video and have a bit more of an idea of what these shoes look like in person, and some suggestions of how I would personally style them. If you did enjoy the video, please do give it a big thumbs up, and I'd love it if you would subscribe. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!